be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal.
I thought you didn't wanna hang with me, just not your kind of thing. You'd rather sit under your favorite tree. That's how it seemed to me, but I dared you and I dared to lose, just so I could be with you. And you hurt me and you followed through. Now all my dreams are coming true. I just wanna put my heels on tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat, hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along. Baby, I don't want this night to end, no I can't pretend, I can't control myself. I just wanna be with you forever. I can't believe it, no it can't get any better now. Can't get any better now. Pretty please, tell me that you think of me and that you're missing me, baby.
Why, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we're gonna do kind of like a day in the life. As you saw, our morning was pretty hectic, I guess you can say. There was a lot to do. We had breakfast, which I didn't even start filming because these kids were starving. Then we had our ritual green juice, and then I had to just clean the kitchen. It was a mess after breakfast, the green juice. Our dishwasher was fully loaded, so I had to unload that. And I actually put some makeup on. As you can see, only one child is awake. She's in the living room. I don't know what she's doing. The other two went down for a nap because yesterday we actually went to the zoo and we had a really good time, but it's a lot of walking and I think they're just exhausted. So they went down for a nap pretty early and now it is 1:11. So I'm about to start lunch. And I think we're gonna be doing some barbecue boneless ribs. They had a promotion going on yesterday. It was buy one, get one free on these country style ribs. So that's what we're gonna do. Yes? Oh, that is coming. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I made this pasta yesterday and it's a recipe I found on Instagram. It's really good. My kids absolutely love it. It's filled with celery, carrots, onion, garlic, and today I'm going to add a little bit of this pasta to it. It tastes so good. Let me know if you guys want to see this recipe because it's so easy and practical to do and nutritious, which is always a plus. And this is the reality sometimes, you know, we're not gonna be cooking things from scratch every day. Sometimes we just eat leftovers, and this is one of those examples where we will be eating leftovers. We're gonna be doing a little bit of asparagus. I added a little bit of the light taste olive oil. You're not really supposed to cook with extra virgin olive oil because the high heat destroys a lot of the nutritional value in it. So I try to get the one that's light tasting and it's meant for frying and baking. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. We're gonna saute this quite a bit. And then we're going to add a little bit of sliced almonds. This is like the easiest dish you could possibly do. And it tastes so good. Like it's delicious. I love it. My husband loves it. And I would even say you could do this for like Thanksgiving. I think it's different. It's a twist. You can do it with green beans. You can do it with asparagus. Totally up to you. But it's very good. The olive oil is going to now toast your almonds, and they're gonna release like a nice nutty flavor. I had some asparagus that were going bad, so I cut them pretty short, and we're gonna use these to mix it in once these almonds are nice and toasty. Going to add a little bit more olive oil, just a tiny bit, so that I can toss these, and you're gonna add salt and pepper. And I think our soup is done. Pasta has cooked. Oh, that looks good. All right, look at that. They're looking good. I didn't add barbecue to these because my kids aren't a fan of barbecue. So I'll break that one up for them. But these are ours. And they looked good, ready to go. It is officially 6 o'clock now. We cleaned the kitchen from lunch. We also cleaned the playroom area, right? So I had promised them that we were gonna do donuts, and I have this book. This book is awesome. It's the Great Pumpkin Cookbook, or the Great Big Pumpkin Cookbook. It's really cool. There's a ton of recipes in here that involve pumpkin, and since it is the season of pumpkin, that's what we're gonna do. And one of them is these pumpkin donuts with maple pumpkin spice glaze. They look so delicious. I mean, look at that. Do they not look amazing? They look so, so good. And what's nice is that it's pretty simple. It just involves this box. This is the Simple Mills box of pumpkin muffin and bread. I love Simple Mills. Their ingredients are so clean, basic, none of the junk, and they taste really good too. It's also gluten-free, so it's just a healthier version of, you know, your typical boxed cake baking essential at home. So we're gonna follow the box instructions, and then it says that for the glaze, it's a half cup of powdered sugar, maple syrup, lemon, and pumpkin pie spice, which we happen to have all of those things. So let's go ahead and make these donuts. So it says that you're supposed to use a muffin pan. I don't have one, but I have these little molds that are like donut shaped.
Okay.
The box says it makes 12. So I have heart, your typical donut, and then stars. So I'm gonna use 12 and place it right on here. And hopefully they come out good. So this batter is done, but frankly, I don't know how to put this in here because this isn't the most liquidy. Oh no, this isn't very liquidy, so I followed the instructions. You guys, I just realized I forgot to add eggs. No wonder it wasn't liquidy enough. They're already in the oven though. Oh my gosh, what a mom brain moment. I don't know what I was thinking about. That sucks. We'll have to redo this recipe. I'm not even gonna try to do the glaze because I don't know what I was thinking.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave.
Okay, so we'll see how those donuts come out. I can't believe I forgot the eggs. I'm tired. It's been a long weekend. So I am going to work on laundry. My husband went and got dinner because I just don't feel like cooking tonight. So we're gonna have a good old steak and shake, and while he's doing that errand, I am getting the kids' clothes and the laundry. Now, this is something that I definitely outsource. We normally use Poplin. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically a laundry service. And they come pick up your laundry and then they bring it back the next day. Since I have a little bit of time, I figured I might as well do it and save some money. Because you do have to tip them. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like an Uber Eats kind of thing where you put in the order of laundry, then someone picks up that order, they come and pick it up, they do it overnight, and then they bring it back. So you do have to tip them, obviously, for their hard work. But, you know, I figured I might as well do this. Oh! Okay.
Looking in your eyes, I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love.
Alright. They look
If I'm
done.
gonna love somebody,
They just didn't grow,
I just
but
wanna
I don't know,
love.
maybe they'll taste good. Well, wait till they cool down a little bit.
I just wanna love.
It actually tastes good, but I think the egg is supposed to hold it together because it's just crumbling. But it tastes good.
I just wanna hold hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this.
Alright, I'm going to end this video right here. I'm probably gonna finish by folding that laundry and going to bed. We're about to start bath time, so that is the next thing on my list for tonight. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of like raw, unfiltered, basically just kind of how my day goes. A lot of, you know, cleaning, a lot of nothing exciting per se, but we got some failed donuts in and finished the night strong with some steak and shake. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.